PG and Research Department of Physics, Seethalakshmi Ramaswamy College. It is the right place to learn beyond textbooks. Experience the beauty of science. Innovate your ideas. And excel in your career.
Physics is the driving force behind every innovation in our modern world. I am Dr. K. Seethalakshmi, Head and Associate Professor, PG and Research Department of Physics, Seethalakshmi Ramaswamy College, Tiruchirappalli. At our college, the Department of Physics was established in 1966. We are a dedicated team of 12 faculty members committed to the holistic development of every student. The department offers BSc, MSc and PhD programs in physics. We are equipped with well-established separate laboratories for BSc major and allied programs along with an exclusive laboratory for MSc program, ensuring a strong foundation in both theoretical and practical aspects of physics.
The department fosters dynamic learning environment through interactive theory sessions, skill-based practicals, and project works. The department's practical sessions deserve special emphasis. The faculty members are dedicated to the holistic growth of every student. The department has an exclusive library with over 4,000 books, including resources for CSIR, GATE, and JAM exam preparation. The department organizes conferences, workshops, and seminars, providing students with valuable exposure to current scientific advancements. The department hosts Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Science Club and Cognizance Club to bring out students' talents and for their career preparations. Physics graduates have diverse career opportunities in research, government, and non-governmental organizations. Here are some of our students' outstanding achievements in the recent years. Ms. Nathar Rafia Noori BSc Physics 2021-24 batch secured 48th All India rank in IIT JAM and is now pursuing her master's degree at IISc Bangalore. Our students consistently achieve university ranks. In the last year, Ms. A. Dharshini secured university 3rd rank and Ms. V. S. Samaya secured 4th rank. 4 of our PG students have been awarded the prestigious National Scholarship and received 3 lakh rupees. Our PG students, Ms. K. Vallakshmi cleared CTET exam 2024, Ms. P. Priyadarshini Valli cleared TNPSC Group 4 examination this year. Many others have also secured placements in reputed organizations, demonstrating their academic and professional success. Here are the feedback from our students about the department.
To all the physics enthusiasts out there, if you are dreaming to reach great heights in the realm of science and tech, then I encourage you all to make use of all the resources that the department has to offer. The faculty members at the department, they go to great lengths to make the classes as interactive as possible. What I like the most about the department is the lab work which they offer. The students will gain hands-on experience with various instruments and apparatuses. So
SRC was the place where I got a great opportunity to explore many things in physics, which laid the foundation for my passion and for my career in computational physics. So that was the place actually where I started whole of my career, and actually they taught us to think logically, which gave me a feel for the subject, and they gave their fullest to bring the best out of us, and the peaceful environment over there gave a proper and a very disciplined lifestyle.
Kickstart your career with us.